Hey, it's Aran here. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to resize an image on a blog. This is a question from one of my members in my tech support membership. Now, on a blog, what you want to do is, I'm just going to delete this just so you can see the example of what I actually refer to. So if I'm going to upload an image, and I'm just going to pick one just for the sake of demonstration, and I'm going to save this, I'm going to preview it, and you're going to see that it's basically going to be a freaking huge image and it's going to look really bad on the blog. So it just looks kind of ridiculous. So how do you resize it? So what you want to do is you want to go back to the blog post and then you're going to simply click on the image and drag it to make it smaller like that. Now, you might be wondering, okay, what about a video? So let me show you an example of a video as well. So you see here, I'm gonna paste in a video link from YouTube, and here's the video. Now you'll see that it's gonna be a certain size. I'm gonna refresh. Now, as I've changed it, you'll see that the image is going to be smaller, like it's supposed to, and the video is gonna be this. But if I'm gonna make it smaller or bigger, that can also be done. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You're gonna click back to the blog post. You're going to now, you can't do the same thing here, unfortunately. What you can do is click here on HTML, and just notice here, iframe width 500, height 210, and this is the YouTube embed video. Now, the YouTube embed video, basically what it means is that the width is 500 and 281. So I'm gonna make it double. So instead of 500, I'm gonna make it 1,000. Instead of 281, quick math, it's 562. If I messed up the math, I apologize, but I'm doing it on the fly. Click on update, and now I'm going to refresh, and you're going to see that this is going to be double the size, basically. So here it is. So that's how you can resize the pictures and a video on new Zenler blog. Thanks a lot for watching this Zenler tutorial. If you haven't noticed, right above me there is a playlist with all the new Zenler tutorials that I've already created. There are dozens of them. You're welcome to check it out. If you have a specific question that I haven't actually covered about new Zenler, please leave a comment below and I'll make sure to record a tutorial for you. Now, if you are just getting started with new Zenler and you want to speed up the process of getting your website done, I've got 3 gifts that are going to help you do exactly that. The first one is a sales page template. The second one is a website preparation checklist. And the third one is a website creation glossary. All of these 3 freebies are available on my website. If you visit websitediycourse.com, you can go check it out. It will help you get your Zenler site a lot faster. It's based on a proven process that I've done building literally 50 plus at least, and I'm being generous, probably 100 plus websites on new Zenler, and it's a very well laid out process. It's going to shorten the learning curve and the whole process for you. So go check it out. Go to websitediycourse.com and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.